I'm getting the hang of this now, but can we go through it one more time?
Okay, but this time, let's make an atom. Over here we have our ingredients.
Ah, our jars of particles. So what are we going to build?
Let's build helium first. Helium's atomic number is 2. So what does that tell you?
The atomic number is the number of protons in an atom. So helium has 2 protons in its nucleus.
Right, let's get started. 2 protons. Here we go. So far, so good. Next, we need to add some neutrons to complete the nucleus. How many do you think we need?
We can work this out from the mass number. Mass number is the total number of protons and neutrons in an atom. Helium's mass number is 4. Now we know we've already got 2 protons, which means we must need 2 neutrons in the atom to make the mass number of 4.
Exactly. 1, 2 neutrons. Let's try it.
So we've just built a helium nucleus?
Yep. Now, in order to complete the atom, we need to add the electrons. So, how many electrons do you think we need to add?
In an atom, we have the same number of electrons as protons, so we need 2.
2 electrons coming up.
Hey, it works. 2 electrons in orbit. So we've just built a helium atom.
Yep, and this helium atom belongs over there.
Can I have a go now? What can I build?
Okay, next element in the periodic table, please.
Neon.
No. It's an easy mistake to make, though. We're following the element's atomic number. Neon has an atomic number of 10, whilst helium has an atomic number of 2. So the next element
will have an atomic number of 3. And that's lithium. Atomic number is the number of protons in an atom. So we'll need 3 of these. And the mass number of 7 is the total number of protons and neutrons. We've already got 3 protons, so we'll need 4 neutrons to make a total of 7.
That's it. You've just built a lithium nucleus.
Now to finish off the atom, we need some electrons. There's got to be the same number of electrons as protons. And we've already got 3 protons, so we need 3 electrons. Hey, I'm getting the hang of this. Whoa. What's going wrong with our electron shells? Or am I seeing double?
Don't panic. That's supposed to happen. Electrons orbit the nucleus inside shells. However, the first shell can only contain 2 electrons. Any more than 2 electrons may need to go inside the second shell.
So the third electron has a shell of its own?
Yes, and that makes the atom very reactive, but we'll find out more about that later.
So I've just built a lithium atom?
Yep, you have, and it belongs over there.
Okay, so can we build something else? How about carbon?
Okay. Where's carbon on the periodic table? There, it's there.
Okay, atomic number is the number of protons in an atom. So we need 6 for carbon. So here we go. 2, 4, 6.
And carbon's mass number is 12, which means there's a total of 12 protons and neutrons in its nucleus.
Yes, but we've already got 6 protons, so we only need 6 neutrons to make the total of 12. Would you like to do the honours?
Certainly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 neutrons. So that's carbon's nucleus built.
And now for the electrons. In an atom, the number of electrons is always the same as the number of protons.
And we've got 6 protons.
So we need 6 electrons.
Shall we try 3 each?
Okay. Here's 1.
There's 2. Remember, the first 2 electrons orbit around in the first electron shell.
Here's the 3rd electron. Aha! So it goes into the 2nd electron shell.
As does the 4th.
And 5th.
And 6th. Which completes our carbon atom.